Activity 3.
Listen to the following dialogue.
Moin Khan is a soldier in the Indian Army. He was at the Kargil border. He is an infantry officer. Today, he is in Gnan Swami Primary School, Khandali. The students are asking some questions to Moin Khan. Harsh says, "Hello, sir. We are very happy that you are with us. We want to know many things from you." Moin Khan says, "Hello, students. You can ask questions one by one." Harsh says, "Sir, do you have a very busy schedule?" Moin Khan says, "Our day starts at 4:30 in the morning. We have to get ready for march by 5 o'clock. Then we do some exercises. Sometimes we go for hill climbing too." Hitesh says, "Oh, really a busy morning. Sir, you must be hungry after a lot of exercise. Do you eat breakfast after exercise?" Moin Khan says, "Yes, we go for breakfast. After breakfast, we practice firing." Ayushi says, "Sir, I saw a tank in a movie, but I didn't find the driver in the tank. Does the tank run by itself?" Moin Khan says, "No, dear, it doesn't run by itself. There is a driver in a tank." Anant says, "Sir, do you drive a tank?" Moin Khan says, "No, I don't. There are some other soldiers for that. I can't drive a tank because I'm an infantry officer." Oshin says, "Sir, what is an infantry?" Moin Khan says, "Infantry is a kind of army unit. It fights on foot. We are foot soldiers. We fight the enemies face to face." Meet says, "So do you carry the weapons with you?" Moin Khan says, "Yes, we have to carry the weapons with us. We use the firearms such as rifle, pistol, machine gun, and knife. We have to carry 50 kilogram of load with us." Nirmal says, "Sir, do you have your family?" Moin Khan says, "Yes, I have. My wife's name is Sabira. I have 2 children. Their names are Afzal and Arfin." Janvi says, "Does your wife come to meet you there?" Moin Khan says, "No, she can't come. She writes letters to me. I call her frequently." Anant says, "So you can keep a cell phone with you. Do they allow you to keep a mobile?" Moin Khan says, "Yes, they allow us to keep a cell phone, but we can't use it during wartime. There are some security reasons for that." Harsh says, "Do you miss your wife and children?" Moin Khan says, "Yes, I miss them, but I want to protect my country, so I don't have any regret about it. I love my profession." Mit says, "Sir, does your family like your job?" Moin Khan says, "Yes, they like it. In fact, they are proud of me and my job." Anand says, "We too are proud of you, sir. You are there to protect us, so we can live in peace here."